Good morning, boys and girls. It is science time, and I am Miss Shew at Stout Field Elementary, and this is our lovely kindergarten class. We have been talking about the environment and science, so we have our chart that we've made, and I want you to repeat after me, because we've been talking about ways to help it. So, we've been talking about nature walks.
Nature walks.
Looking and not touching.
Looking and not touching.
Making a bird bath.
Making a bird bath.
Put litter in trash can.
Put litter in trash can.
And then we've been talking about this fancy word, conserve. Can you say that, please?
Conserve.
Conserve. Who can remember what the word conserve means? Mr. Hendricks?
Conserve means save water. So when you're brushing your teeth, as an example, if you're brushing your teeth and you need to get your toothbrush wet, you can do that. But after you're done doing that, turn the faucet off so you don't waste the water, because that water comes from somewhere very special, and it's hard to get water because there's many places far, far, far away from this school that has water.
Yeah, we've been talking about conserving, and we talked a lot about yesterday how to conserve water. So Miss Shew's going to turn it over to our special guest, Mr. Crosslin, and he's going to talk more about conservation. So can you give him a nice kindergarten wave, please? And he is going to be the teacher now.
That was probably one of the best introductions to science I've ever heard. You guys are amazing. So you've been studying about the environment, where we live, and we know that we have a lot of things. We have animals and air and soil and forests and plants. And one of the things that we're going to talk about today is, and you did an excellent job introducing this, is conserving or saving water. But before we do that, let's take a closer look at the Earth. So we know that the Earth rotates, right? It spins around. But if you stop and look at the Earth, would you say there's more water or land on the Earth? What do you think?
There's more water, and look right here.
Yeah.
It says north, east, west, and south.
Excellent. That helps us know where we're going. But I like what he said. There is more water than there is land. You can just tell this. In fact, I think that maybe we should change the name of this planet, not Earth. We should call it Water World. You agree? Yeah. I'm putting water everywhere. All right, so take your finger and point it towards me. Just use this finger right here. Point it towards me. I want you to shut your eyes, and I'm going to spin the Earth, and let's see if there is, let's do like a little survey. Let's spin it. When I say ready, stop. What did you land on? Water or Earth?
Earth.
Okay, Earth. Ready? Let's do it again. That's one Earth. Shut your eyes and stop. Where'd you land on?
Water.
Water. 1 to 1.
A little bit.
Well, mostly water. Let's try it again. Ready? And stop. Where'd you land on?
South America.
South America. You got 2 lands and only 1 water. Let's try it again. Ready? And stop. Where'd you land on?
Water.
Water. 2 and 2.
4. Water.
Water.
3.
Go ahead. Right, you landed right there. Water. Mostly water. One more time. Ready? What'd you land on? Water.
Indiana.
You landed in the Indian Ocean. So what I'm showing you is that there's mostly water. Thank you. Let's give him a round of applause. Good job. Good job. Have a seat. So the Earth is mostly made of water. But boys and girls, here's a problem. Almost all this water you see here is salt water. It's great for the oceans. It's great for the fish. But it's not great for us. We can't drink it. And so let's make a little chart here, all right? Let's make a chart of all the water in the world that we know of, okay? So let's make
Water is blue.
water is blue. So I'm gonna make a big circle.
Wow.
And this is all the water in the world, the same, okay?
I said the water is blue.
And this much right here, see all this water right here? This is the ocean. most of the water is the ocean. And we can't drink it. You know why?
Why?
It is
Salt.
salty. So the ocean is filled with salt. You can't drink salty water. You would get sick. But the fish love it. Ocean fish love it. So we can't drink this water.
Only
fish
can.
Only the fish can. Now there's other water right here. Look at this. See this water right here? This much? This water is frozen. Frozen like snow, ice, or something called a glacier.
What's a glacier?
Glacier is like a mountain of ice that comes down. It's like, and so look,
it's melting.
so look, we can't drink any of this. We can't drink any of the ice, right?
Yeah, because it's ice.
Because it's ice.
Yeah,
And it's hard to get stuck.
Now watch this. There's more water. We have a bunch of water that is underground.
wow.
Water's underground.
That
It's hard to drink when it's underground. We have more water that's up in the sky, in the atmosphere. Clouds. Clouds.
I can drink that water.
So, do you notice that we don't have a lot of water left?
No.
Let me show you what's left. Check it out. Here's the water we have left on our planet to drink, right here. This is the stuff that we can drink and use. We can drink it. We can use it for our garden.
Yeah.
We can use it for our farms. So where is most of the water in the world? Where's most of it?
In the ocean.
Ocean. And there's a lot of it that is
Ice.
frozen in ice. And there's a lot of it that's underground. So we only have a little bit. This is why we need to conserve and save our water. Because even though this planet is made of lots and lots of water, most of it we can't drink. Does someone have a question about that? Yes.
Did you know actually that
What?
if we have a little bit of water,
Yeah.
people that have the instructions thing, they could dig under
Yes.
the water underground and then connect the water that we have right here
Yes.
into one underground to our sinks and our drinks,
Do you hear what he said?
even our bath.
Do you hear what he said? And that's an excellent point. So we actually do that. You know how we do it? We make a well. We dig a pipe down in the water, and we make a pipe go down in the water.
Yeah, well, I
And-
know about those wells like back in the old times where there's no such thing as electronics.
But you know what? We even have wells today. So wells actually bring that water up. That's a good point. And you know what we can also do? We can melt frozen water. Or we could. Now this is really hard to do. It takes a lot of energy. We could take some of this ocean water and take the salt out of it. But that takes a lot of work. So instead of doing all that
How
work,
do you take the salt out of it? That's
Well,
a good question.
that is a good question. There's a couple ways. One way we can use a filter. Another way we could boil the water and the salt stays behind and the water catches the water. It's interesting, something you can look up. But I'll tell you,
I looked up on Google.
so my problem is this. Check it out. That's a lot of work. What we should do, why don't we find ways to, here's that word again. Ready? I'm going to write it. You ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. I'm going to write it in red. Let's find ways to conserve. What is that word? Conserve. Another name for conserve is save. Okay. All right. So here's the project we're going to do. I'm going to draw this right here. You tell me what do you think it looks like? What does that look like?
A
It
water
is a water drop. It's a water drop, and here's what we're going to do. Here's what we're going to do. Ready? We want to find ways to conserve, and we know that conserve means to save. Okay? And everybody say this with me. Conserve. Save. And here's what we're going to do. We save water.
Water.
Now, what is one way we can save water? Yes.
We can save water by turning the fuel off,
Like the faucet?
Yeah.
So, I think we're ready. Who's got one way we can conserve water? Who's got their paper? Do you have, what does yours say? And this says rain bucket. So what do you mean by that?
You put your bucket
Yeah.
outside when it's raining, and then it will get water inside of it.
You
Then
put
the
your-
next day you
Yeah.
get it and you pick it back in.
So we can catch rain outside.
Yeah.
That's great. What's another idea we can use? Bring yours on up. And what is yours all about? Bathtub. And what can we save water in the bathtub? How can we save water in the bathtub?
You can put a little.
You mean don't fill it up all the way? So do you have to fill the bathtub up all the way? No. So we can conserve water in the bathtub. Thank you. What's another idea? Yes. Yes, sir? What is this one?
Brush teeth.
How can we conserve water when we brush our teeth?
When you're rinsing off your toothbrush,
Yes.
getting water on it, so all the
Toothpaste?
toothpaste
Yeah.
falls out. Just don't use it and don't keep the lights on or the
Just-
sink on.
Just don't let the water keep running. Turn it off, turn it on. Yeah,
Yep.
thank you. Would you move this out of the way? What's our next one? Who's got one for me? Bring it on up here. Let's put it right about here. And tell us what this one is. Shower. And how can we save water in the shower?
When you get a shower,
Yep.
when you lift it up, the water goes down.
And so you don't want to take like a 20-minute shower, do you?
No!
No, a quick shower. Or at my house, my kids would take long showers. I'd knock on the door, hey, what are you guys doing in there? And they would take like really long showers. We can conserve water if we take a quick shower. What do you have? What is this? The dishwasher? How can we save water with the dishwasher? Make sure that it's what? It's filled up. Would you use the dishwasher if it only had 2 plates in it?
No!
No, you should fill it up. Oh, the washing machine. When you wash clothes at home, is it a good idea just to put 1 pair of pants in it?
No!
That would really waste a lot of water. So make sure that you fill up the washing machine, fill up the dishwasher. Do we have another one? Stand up here and let's see what you have here. Let's turn around and tell them. Yours is on plants. How could you help with plants? What should you do? Water them at night. That's the way the water doesn't evaporate and the plants can get it at night. Very good. Here, you hold this. Why don't you stick it right about here? Stick it on there for me, okay? So we should water plants at night. That'll save a lot of water. That won't evaporate. These are some really good ideas. Use a rain bucket. Turn the water off when you brush your teeth. Use a full dishwasher. And what do we have here? What is yours? In a swimming pool, we could keep the pool covered. That way the water doesn't evaporate. Here, hold that. And let's put it right there, okay? And I'll draw a line to it. Nice job. Thank you. Let's see yours. Come on up here. What's another way we could conserve water? By if you drink water, don't waste it, right? Hold that. So if you're going to drink water, don't waste it. Put it right there. Excuse me. Nice job.
Turn off water.
You know, you can waste so much water,
Yeah,
right?
you
Tell them, not me. Tell them.
Like in the sink, you can, you gotta use a little bit water while you brush your teeth, or while you gotta wash your hands.
Yeah.
Don't keep the water on
Yeah.
when you try to go to sleep.
Yeah.
Because Because sometimes I do at home at night and before I go to sleep, and then I brush my teeth.
Yep.
I use a little bit of toothpaste and a little bit of toothpaste because you know what? Toothpaste has water inside of it.
When you mix it, let me ask you a question. At night, when you go to bed and brush your teeth, do you leave the water running all night long while you sleep?
No, because
No.
because me and my mom don't have any drink
Yeah, I
like
know.
a plug. If
So
you
just
if
turn
you
it
leave
off.
If you leave the plug in
Yeah.
and you leave the water on all night, and then the water won't be able to get in the plug.
What's going to
because
happen? What's going to happen?
The whole sink is going to be filled up, and the whole bathtub
Yeah.
is going to be soaking.
Soaking wet,
Yeah.
and you don't want that, do you?
Yeah, then you'll be slipping and falling
No, give me 5 on that one.
all time.
Thank you. Hey,
Great.
what I got from that is,
Great.
don't leave the water running, and if you put the plug in, be careful. You don't want to overflow and make a mess. I think. And what do you have? What's your big idea? What's your big idea? It says pets. What are you going to do with pets? If you have leftover water, what are you going to do with it? Give it to what? Hold that for a second. I think if we have leftover water, where could we give that water, friends? To the
Dog or
pets.
cat.
Dog or cat. Stick it right there.
Or hamster.
Or a hamster. Or a fish.
dog.
Thank you. Have a seat. And what else do we have here? Oh, tell them, friends, what's one way we can conserve water?
You can reuse a bottle.
Reuse the bottle. Have you ever done that? Okay, let's put that one right about here. That's a good one. Reuse the bottle. Yeah, tell them about it. Turn around and tell them about it.
This is the bottle that's filled, and if you're full and it's low, you can put the bottle in the fridge, and when you're thirsty again, you can use it again.
So not only is he conserving water, but he's conserving plastic bottles. You can reuse it again. Put it right up there. That's a good one. I'm gonna put it up at the top. Good job. Thank you. And I think we have room for one more. Let's see. What's yours? Oh, this one wastes a lot of water. What is this? The toilet. The toilet. How can we save water in the toilet? I'm gonna put it right here. Do you have any ideas how to save the water in the toilet? Should you flush it? Yes, you should flush the toilet. But sometimes toilets run and run and run. You gotta make sure they work right. Would you like to put that right there for me? Okay, well, boys and girls, this is amazing. Go ahead and have a seat. Here's some ways that we can save water. I'll say it, then you say it. We save water.
We save water.
Another word for that is to conserve, or save.
Save.
We can save water in the bathtub,
Bathtub.
at the pool,
Pool.
at the shower,
Shower.
at the washing machine,
Washing machine.
our plants at night.
Plants.
Make sure the toilet works.
Make sure the toilet works.
Drink a lot of water.
Drink a lot of water.
Turn off the water so you don't waste it and have an accident. Turn off water.
Turn off the water.
Give your extra water to pets.
Give it extra water to pets.
Make sure your dishwasher is full.
Make sure your dishwasher is full.
Brush your teeth. Don't run the water. Brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth and don't run in the water.
And reuse bottles.
Reuse bottles.
And this is a great idea also. Use a rain bucket to catch water.
Use a rain bucket to catch water.
Well, how about we make our own posters like this? Would you guys like to do that?
Yeah!
Okay, let's get started. Okay, so we're back in our seats. We're going to make our own poster. Look at the one we did together up there. So I want you to write in the middle of your raindrop, we save water. You can use that poster. So go ahead and write that. We save water. Put it inside the raindrop. Oh, did you write it? Say it again one more time.
We save water.
We save water. One white card. Okay? Look up on the chart, and what is one way you like to save water? Do you like to in the bath, in the shower, pick one of those, pick one of these, and write it on your paper. Which one are you going to pick?
I think I picked bathtub.
Then you write the word bathtub and draw a picture of a bathtub on the white card right there. Which one are you going to write?
I'm about to write about mine.
Turn off water. Good deal. Turn off water.
I can't see.
I like how people are coming up and taking a closer look and then going back to their seat. Pretty awesome class of conserving water.
Learned different ways to save what, boys and girls?
Water!
Water. So I want you to think, if you can think of 1 or 2 ideas, take them home and see if you can try these, okay?
Okay.
Let's try that again, okay?
Okay.